I'm not going to sit here and recommend, but you can do your research to make sure that you're choosing exchanges that are credible and wherein that you feel confident in holding your coins if you're going to hold them on an exchange.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Two Crypto News. Today, we're going to go over a little bit of crypto news. Today is a very exciting day. We have a lot of stuff to talk about. A lot of stuff is going on at the moment. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe so that you can stay tuned on all the latest crypto news.
So the overall crypto market is surging, and I just want to take a moment to just think about what could be the catalyst for that happening. What are your thoughts, Amir?
There's a couple of things that is actually propelling the price of Bitcoin forward, in my opinion. One is going to be the spot coin ETFs that we already know about. That's bringing a lot
Right.
of investors that didn't really want to invest in Bitcoin out.
Correct. And
Now that
mainstream.
Yeah, now that it's become more mainstream, people are wanting to invest in it, and that's a good way for more money to flow into the market. And then also we have the Bitcoin halving, which is also coming up in April, which
Right.
historically shows
A
bullish
spike.
sentiment every single time it happens. So
Right.
that's another thing that has a lot of money pumping into the market because they're waiting for that halving to see how far Bitcoin goes, and I think it's going to go pretty far.
Right. And then with MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor consistently buying Bitcoin. I
Hmm.
mean, he has been relentless at saying, hey, Bitcoin is where you should be putting your money. And
Yeah.
he, as far as I understand, has acquired even more Bitcoin recently. So that's given more credibility to the market. I mean, you have this man, the head of the CEO of this major company that's consistently buying more crypto. And when you think about it, his average cost is around $51,000 per share. So when Bitcoin rises, he's going to be looking at a pretty good return on his investment. And so we have another hope and catalyst that's coming out is the Ethereum, hopefully ETFs as well on the horizon, trying to piggyback off of the Bitcoin ETF. So we have a lot of catalysts that's moving the market forward. I'm very excited.
Yeah, me as well. So, a lot of good things to come. We are waiting for some big things to happen. Just make sure, like I said before, you are checking your bags. If you see them, me personally, if I see them go to numbers that are unfathomable, I might have to. I
Mhm.
know I'm doing a hold strategy. I've been in crypto for the past couple of years now, and I have not touched my portfolio because I do believe in hodling. But if I see something astronomical, best believe that I'm going to go ahead and tap them and make sure that you're keeping track because it can happen in an instant. It can go up and it can move just down. This is how volatile crypto is. So,
Well, I want to talk a little bit about credible market spaces and marketplaces for purchasing coins. I can't stress enough for people to do their research when they are choosing a marketplace to purchase coins and where you are holding your coins. Of course, cold storage is the best. However, if you decide to keep your coins on exchanges, please make sure it's credible exchanges. I'm not going to sit here and recommend, but you can do your research to make sure that you're choosing exchanges that are credible and wherein that you feel confident in holding your coins if you're going to hold them on an exchange. And of course, cold storage is the best place to hold your coins. There was some news reports recently about an exchange that went down completely and users are not able to access that exchange. And that's something that we want to make our community aware of. So we won't have other people falling into the same pitfalls that are already there for us to, learn from. So just want to watch that.
that's a good point. And then, like, there's a plenty of information online. Just make sure you're using credible sources, and they'll give you some suggestions of some pretty good cold storage wallets and some pretty good exchanges that have the liquidity to be able to and the security to be able to protect your assets.
And again, we always want to ask the question, have you been packing your crypto bag? Our bags are packed.